Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to our LEJIA live show. Today, let's talk about DIY embroidery. Now I will show you some embroidery samples. This bag with a Mickey Mouse and some socks with embroidery. Very lovely. Very cute. The milk. And this is my favorite. As the weather warms up, more and more generations are willing to embroider on caps, t-shirts, frills, scarves, everywhere we can find the embroidery. So now I will introduce you our latest generation of LEJIA tubular embroidery machine. This is computerized single head for the home using. It's very light, easy to move, and it can be purchased, shipped to you home very easily. Now let me show you some embroidery of the coronavirus. You know, nowadays the globe, the whole world was attacked by the coronas. So today we will embroider one coronavirus here on the t-shirt. Okay, the embroider will finish within few seconds. Let me show you a moment. Okay. This is finished embroidery. Nowadays, let's fight with the coronavirus and overcome the difficulties together. Okay, let's see you next time.